Hi, my name's Phil and a warm welcome to Festool TV. On occasions it may be necessary to do some work within a home or some rework within a site that may have previously been visited. In that case it may not be practical or possible to take in a large extraction unit. So we need a solution for this that is small, light and portable. And for that type of work the CTL SYS is ideally suited. So for this example I have here, which is just to trim a piece of material away from the door, I can use a TS55, but I can use a CTL SYS to provide perfectly adequate extraction for this type of work. You can see it's T-lock compatible, so we can take the top sustainer away, and then we can set my machine up onto the guide rail and we can plug directly into the CTL SYS. So I can connect my machine directly into the extraction unit, and then my extraction unit can go into my main power supply. Within the top section on the hose garage, we have the 27mm hose. So we can unwind the 3-metre length and put this onto my TS55. And so now we're ready to trim the end away from this door using a TS55, but also the CTL SYS. And we can switch the main power supply on, and then we're ready to trim the end off the door. So as you can see, the CTL SYS has more than enough power to take away any dust that we're using. And this can be used for sawing or maybe for sanding applications as well. So now we've seen it in use, we can take a closer look at the CTL SYS. In the top of the unit, we have a small shoulder strap. And this means that I can use this up onto my shoulder, and I can also carry the unit around with full access to the front for the controls as well. So it means that any residues that may be left over, I can clean up after myself. What we can do next is to remove the hose from the top of the unit, put this over to one side, and then if we open up the base, we can then look towards the inside. On the inside of here, we have 2 of the tools, and that means that we can use these for cleaning up into any small crevices that we may need to. And if we lift this back, it means we can bring up the small holder, and this is for the main filter. This is for the main filter on the side, and also for the dust collection bag as well. And these are housed together on the base of the unit. But also for the CTL SYS, we have a long life bag as well. And this means that you can fill this with the waste, and then with a Velcro strap along here, we can then take that away and empty it. If we close this unit up, and we can then remove the shoulder strap, and if we take this power supply away, the top of this hose garage can now be removed when we undo that section. I can then reintroduce the extraction onto the top, and if we lift up this section again, we can now attach this strap. And this means that it makes it into a small and lightweight unit which I can put onto my shoulder and I can then use for cleaning up again. So it's a very adaptable unit as well. So you can see the CTL SYS is a very small, portable, lightweight unit for many different types of extraction work in small confined spaces. But the CTL SYS also fits within the Festool transport system, so it fits with our sustainer sizes as well. So I hope this has helped your understanding of this particular CTL SYS extraction unit, and I'll see you again on the next presentation. Thank you.